Welcome back, learners. I'm Jessica, and today we're talking about opinions. What you like, what you don't like, and how to express your thoughts in simple English.
And hey everyone, I'm Leo. Giving opinions is super important because it helps you connect with people. Even basic opinions make conversations more interesting.
Exactly. And don't worry, you don't need big words to share your opinion. You just need simple phrases like, I like, I don't like, I love, and I prefer.
So let's start with something easy. Jessica, what's something you like?
Oh, I like morning coffee. It makes me feel awake and happy.
Same. I love coffee. But I actually prefer tea in the evening.
Oh, interesting. I don't really like tea. It's okay, but not my favorite.
That's a good example, learners. You can say, I like, I love, I don't like, and it's not my favorite. All simple and natural.
Let's talk about food next. Leo, what foods do you like?
I like pasta, I love sushi, but I don't like very spicy food.
Oh, really? I love spicy food. The spicier, the better.
Yeah, you're brave. I prefer mild food. My tongue can't handle too much heat.
See, learners? We already showed you 4 opinion structures. Now let's move to hobbies. Leo, tell me, what do you like doing in your free time?
I like reading, I love taking long walks, and I don't like watching long movies. They're too long for me.
Really? I love long movies. I prefer watching something that takes time and has a deep story.
Yeah, that's very you. Emotional and dramatic.
Hey, maybe.
I'm kidding. But learners, notice something. We talk naturally, but our vocabulary is simple. You can do the same.
Exactly. Let's pretend we're 2 friends choosing an activity. That way learners can hear real opinion phrases.
Okay, here we go.
Hey, Leo, do you want to go to a cafe or a park today?
I prefer the park. I like being outside. What about you?
I like both, honestly. But today, I think I prefer the cafe. I want something sweet.
Ah, that makes sense. You love desserts.
Yes, I love cake, but I don't like bitter chocolate.
Interesting. I like all chocolate. Dark, milk, anything.
All right, so what should we do? Park or cafe?
Let's compromise. We can walk in the park first, then go to the cafe.
Perfect. I like that idea.
See, learners? Opinions help you make plans, express yourself, and understand other people.
And remember, you don't need complex grammar. These simple structures are enough. I like, I don't like, I love, I prefer, I think, in my opinion.
And here's a tip. If you want your English to feel more natural, add short reasons.
Yes. For example, I like walking because it relaxes me. I don't like noise because it stresses me. I love music because it gives me energy.
Exactly. Let's practice one more conversation using reasons.
All right. Leo, do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. I love traveling because I enjoy learning about new cultures. What about you?
I like traveling, but I don't like long flights. They make me tired.
Oh, true. Long flights are difficult.
What about books? Do you like reading?
Yes, very much. I like reading because it helps me think. What about you?
I love reading, but I prefer audiobooks. They're easy to listen to while I walk or cook.
Nice. Learners, see how natural that is? You can talk about anything. Food, hobbies, travel, music, with these simple opinion tools.
Exactly. And expressing opinions helps you connect with people. It makes conversations feel alive.
All right, learners, that's our English practice for today. We hope you use these phrases in your real daily life.